Hey guys, welcome back to another video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to fix the chat settings in Roblox that may prevent you from sending messages. Let's get started. First, open any browser and go to roblox.com. Once you are there, click on the gear icon in the top right corner and select Settings from the drop-down menu. Now in the settings menu, navigate to privacy and content maturity. Next, go to communication and select experience chat. You should see two options, experience chat and direct chat, for both of these options. Make sure you set them to everyone. Once you have done that, you're all set. The simple change will ensure that when you are inside a game, you won't encounter any issues with sending messages anymore. So that's it. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe to our channel. See you in the next one.